Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Today I decided to cook a meal for you. It is going to be a Brazilian meal. We are going to cook for you fish stew, peas, white rice, and my husband will help me. I hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. First, we're going to prepare the rice. So I have here some white rice. I am going to wash it and prepare it. There are so many different types of rice. We have white rice, brown rice, among others. In the meantime, my husband is cutting the vegetables. The vegetables he will use: tomatoes, onions, garlic, cilantro, peppers. Okay, the rice is washed. Now we are going to add some water and turn on the heat. Some water, turn on the heat. I don't like plain white rice. I prefer with flavor. And the way I cook, I like to add garlic, sunflower oil, and salt for flavoring my white rice. I'm going to use 3 cloves of garlic, minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, sunflower oil. Okay, now my rice will cook. And in the meantime, my husband will show you how to prepare the fish stew. So here he has some tomato and some onion, chopped tomato, chopped onion, sliced tomato, sliced onion. We also have this pepper. Again, 3 big cloves of garlic because we love garlic at home. And here we have a little bit of cilantro. Let's start the fish stew preparation. I'm not sure if you can see. Yes. He is mincing the garlic. And we have to use the olive oil with the heat. To give a little flavor in the oil of garlic. Now the garlic's golden, let's add the onion. So here we have fish fillet. Now my husband will add the fish. The onion is golden, the garlic is golden. Now let's add the fish. While he's preparing the dish, I am washing the dishes, or in some regions people would say I am doing the dishes. They are more or less the same thing. Washing the dishes or doing the dishes. So I am going to do the dishes. Remember, to do the dishes is the same thing as to wash the dishes. So right now we are waiting for the fish to get the flavor of the onion and the garlic, and of course the olive oil. Okay, so now my husband is ready to add the other ingredients. Let's follow. He has the chopped tomato, the orange pepper, the cilantro, a little bit of water. He's adding a little bit of salt. And now he will wait until it boils. Once it boils, we can add the coconut milk and the red palm oil. And then it's done. We have coconut milk canned. Red palm oil, it's going to be 1 teaspoon. I am going to prepare peas. See? Peas. I am going to prepare peas for us to have our complete meal. And for my peas, I am going to use a little bit of margarine. Margarine versus butter. Margarine is made from plant oils, whereas butter is derived from dairy and is rich in saturated fats. And I am going to drizzle some salt. Drizzle. They are delicious, I can tell you. So, the rice is cooked. The way I like it is fluffy. So let me take a fork and show you how I do. So this is a fork, and I am going to make it fluffy, like this. See? I'm not sure if you can see, but it's really fluffy. Now let's go to the table and eat. Okay, so now we are ready to eat. As you can see, my rice is fluffy because I don't like clumpy, I like fluffy. We have peas. And here is our fish stew. You see, we have pieces of it. And this stew is really delicious. We normally put in the rice. And here I have a salad. It's called garden salad. We have lettuce, purple cabbage, and carrots. And so, here's my plate. That's the end of our video for today. I hope you had learned some new vocabulary. I think it is important at this time have a little bit of a disclaimer. In this video, I'm not trying to teach anyone how to cook. Neither am I advising any type of diet, nor am I saying that the food that I just showed you is healthy or that someone should eat it. I am just sharing what I ate and the way I prepare it. If you are interested in trying the fish stew, you can find very good recipes online, and you can also substitute fish with shrimp. I will see you next time. Bye!